हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू साइंस क्लास। आज हम परफॉर्म करने जा रहे हैं एक सिंपल एक्टिविटी फॉर क्लास 7। हाउ टू चेक वेदर गिवन सब्सटेंस इज एसिडिक और बेसिक विद द हेल्प ऑफ नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स लाइक लिटमस और टर्मरिक। सो टुडे वी विल यूज litmus paper and turmeric powder or turmeric solution to check whether the given substance is acidic or basic. So in different bowls, first we will take different substances. In first bowl we will take little lemon juice. This is lemon. In first bowl we have taken lemon juice. In second one I will add shampoo and make a solution of it. Now I will add some little water to it. In third bowl we will take solution of washing soda. Add some water to it. Now next bowl we will take vinegar. Okay, and in next we will take water as tap water. Now we have five different solution. In first one lemon juice, shampoo, washing soda and vinegar. Okay, now first we will test with the help of litmus paper. Now you can see this is red litmus paper, natural indicator. Litmus is available in litmus paper or litmus solution. So I have these litmus papers. This is blue litmus paper and this is red litmus paper. Now first I will take red litmus paper. This is red litmus paper and dip it into first bowl in which we taken lemon juice. See, no change is there. When we put red litmus water in lemon juice, it means no change is occurring. It means either it is acidic or neutral. Okay, now if I put this red litmus water in shampoo, then what happens? Let's see. Okay, let it keep for some time. Now you can see it is turning little bit blue. Red litmus is turning blue. When we put it into washing soda, then also it turns now see, in washing soda it turned blue. Earlier it was red. Now you can see the color of litmus paper turns blue. And again in vinegar also there is no change in the litmus paper. Okay, so now we will take blue litmus paper. Now this is blue litmus paper. Now what happens with lemon juice? First I put it in lemon juice. Now see, what is the color now? It has turned red with lemon juice, means blue litmus turned red with lemon juice. Okay, again if I take blue litmus paper and put it in shampoo, then no change with shampoo. So shampoo is not changing blue litmus paper. Again if I put it in soap solution, then also it is not turning, it remains blue. And when it is dipped into vinegar, what happens? See, in vinegar, now you can see the blue litmus turned red. Okay, so this is different changes that occur in different solutions with litmus paper. What you have observed, when we dip blue litmus paper in lemon juice and vinegar, it turns red, means the property of vinegar and lemon juice is acidic. And when we dip red litmus paper in soap solution and it turns blue, and in shampoo also it turns blue. Shampoo turns red litmus into blue. So soap solution and shampoo solution, that is basic in nature. So litmus paper, what color it shows? Litmus, blue litmus paper turns red in acidic solution and red litmus paper turns blue in basic solution. Okay, now the same activity we will perform with turmeric. Now I will take some turmeric powder and make a solution of it. This is turmeric solution. Now you can see turmeric. Now I add some soap solution. This is washing soda. This washing soda I add to this turmeric powder. Now what is the color? You can see this is yellow. This is the color of turmeric. Okay. Now when we add soap solution to it, then what happens? Now see, the color of turmeric turns red. It means this soap solution is basic. Turmeric powder gives red color with basic solutions or bases. Now one more activity we can do. If I add some lemon juice to it, what happens? If we add lemon juice to it, then what happens? Now you can see again the yellow color appears. What is going on here? Now you can see when we added soap solution that is basic in nature, base to turmeric, it turns red. But when we added lemon juice that is acidic, again it turns into yellow color. Means the effect of base is neutralized by the acid present in lemon juice. So this activity also shows the neutralization reaction. The effect of base is neutralized by the acid present in lemon. So bases turn turmeric into red, but the lemon juice, which is acidic, that neutralizes the effect of base to turmeric, and it again the yellow color of the turmeric reappears. Okay, now if we add direct acid to turmeric solution, what change we will see? See, This is turmeric solution. If I add lemon juice to it, then you can see no change is there. It remains yellow. Okay. So with turmeric, acids do not give any change to color, but bases turn yellow color of turmeric into red color. Okay. So by this activity we can check whether the given substance is acidic or basic, or how natural indicators change the color of acid with acid and base. Okay. In next activity we will check the China rose solution, how its color changes with acid and base. Okay. Thank you.